I like stamps that do double duty, and with the stamping platform, this is a really invaluable tool for your stamps. So if you look at this set, this is from Cafe Art, and it's actually a little doily that fits underneath the cup and saucer, and I'll show you how you can totally change it up and make it something really, really cool. So you need the stamp platform for this. I think you can do it without it, but this makes your life so easy. So here's my little doily stamp. I'm going to set it in the corner. My paper is 4 inches square, and you need to have a square surface for this to work. Okay, so I cut this to 4 inches square. I'm going to put my stamp up here, close the lid, and that's going to transfer the stamp to the door. And then I'm going to take my new ink. This is peat moss, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color, and I'm going to ink this little stamp. Okay. So when I press this down, you'll see that I have just one corner stamped, and that's what the stamp was originally going to look like, just a little doily. So now if I move my magnets, turn my paper a quarter of a turn, put my magnets back on there so I know that those are going to stay there, ink my stamp again, okay, so you can see that this is going to make the perfect square, and it totally changes the look of your stamp, and that's what I really, really like about stamps. There are just multiple ways to use them. So for the third stamping, you can see I turn my paper again, just 1/4 of a turn. And it's almost complete. One more turn and I'm done. Okay, again, one more time I want to ink my stamp. And I have a little square doily. So how am I going to fill that center in? So what I did was just cut a square that fits perfectly. So if I want to stamp on that, if I want that to be raised up, and that one was 2 1/16 inches square. So now we have this little stamp, we change it into a square doily. So here's what a finished sample looks like. This is a brand new stamp set with adorable Met Mini. So how cute is that? And you would never know that it started out as that stamp. Try it, it's fun.